Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Arvind from Ellipsis, and these are the best apps of the week. So I'll be showing you all the apps in my Xiaomi Mi Pad. So let's dive in. The first app on the list is Automate. Automate basically replaces your car dashboard and makes common services available to you while you're driving. You get the right information at the right time, and this app makes notification and other icons bigger for you to easily see while you're on the go. It also provides weather notifications, calendar and call notifications in your home screen. There are 4 icons in the bottom, and the first one is your maps icon. This shows your location and you can search for more places from here. It also provides options to navigate easily to popular places like cafes, restaurants, petrol bunks, hospitals, etc. So you can easily navigate to that place. The next button is your call list, where your favorite contacts will be listed and you can call them directly. And the next option is your playlist, so you can play music. And the last one is your favorite apps, so that you can click on them. And going into the settings, you can see a lot of options, and you can have a dark theme as well for that one. And if you see, you can set your home address as well as your work address for easy navigation. And this application can be configured to automatically start when it connects to your car Bluetooth as well. The next app on the list is Bluemail. Bluemail is one of my favorite mail clients in Android, and this is one of the stable mail clients out there. And I have used a lot of other mail clients, and this is one of the stable one, and it has a lot of features as well. You can add up multiple accounts such as Google, Yahoo, Office, even the iCloud. So all these can be synced in one particular application here. Bluemail also syncs up your folders, so it is quite easy to find your emails here. And it also supports landscape mode as well. Swiping to the right, you have later, done and more options. And what it does is, when you click on later, this particular mail will get notified in later point in time, so you can set that up as morning or next day. And swiping to the left, you have mark read, archive or delete, so you can delete it right away. And clicking on the icon next to the mail will give you all the mails from that particular person or email. And the feature which I like the most is the push notifications for Gmail, so that you don't have to keep your auto sync on all the time. The next app on the list is Dose. Dose is a simple application which can extend your battery life substantially. So what it does is, when your screen is off, it does not allow the background data to be consumed by other applications like Facebook or Twitter. Important applications like WhatsApp or your mail client can be added to the whitelist, so that this will not get affected by those features. I have added Hangouts and Bluemail to this particular list, so that it continues to receive notifications. And you have additional settings like aggressive mode and charge preferred. You will definitely be able to get more juice out of your battery, so go try it out. The next app on the list is Folder Sync. Folder Sync enables a simple sync between a folder from your cloud-based storage and a folder in your local storage. So whatever files you put on your cloud storage will be synced to your local storage automatically. And this application supports an array of cloud storage like Amazon or your OneDrive and Dropbox. So first you have to create a folder pair, and here I have created my folder pair, which is Song Sync. And this is an Outlook account. So what I've done here is I've put the sync type as two-way, so that whatever changes I make in both of them would get synced. And here I've configured my remote folder as well as my local folder. And if you can see, whatever changes I make in that particular remote folder will get synced automatically into my local folder. And here I can give the sync interval as well. I've given daily here, but then you have option of every 2 hours, every 6 hours and the likes. You have the option to schedule a sync, or you can do it manually as well. And you have other sync options like retry failed or sync hidden files, and you can enable notifications whenever you want if you get an error or something. This is one of my favorite apps. Go try it out, you will not be disappointed. The next app on the list is MacroDroid. MacroDroid is a powerful task automation tool. What it does is it creates macros so that all your tasks can be done automatically. Here are the macros which I've configured on my Mi Pad. So for example, I can show you this, where I connect to a network. So that network is my Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi. So autosync turns on. So that is done automatically. And the second one which I've set is whenever I enter my home area, that is my location, what happens is it enables my Wi-Fi, volume changes, and my ringtone also changes. So these all can be automated directly. And this is how you enable a macro. That is, select a trigger and then select the action for that particular trigger. So I select play music here and click on OK. And it asks for a name, and I give the name, say play music, and then give OK. So you see the play music icon here. So this task will be automatically done, and you have all the templates here which are local and some of them top rated, so you can use them as well from here. And the macro limit is 5 for the free version, so if you want more you have to purchase the premium version. The next app is PowerDirector. PowerDirector is a powerful video editor software which I am using for some time now, and it is quite powerful, and it can edit all your vacation photos or trips or your friend's birthday as well. So here I have a sample with me, and when I click on edit project, you are given a timeline where you can add videos, music as well as layers to it. So I have a video here, and if you want to cut that particular portion, I can click on this button and cut it. And between two videos you can add transitions. So let me add one here, and then I'll just play this for you. So if you can see, the transition would be seamless and it will look great on your video. And here it is. And you can also add your songs, and these are the transition effects which you have, and there are lots of them. So also you can add text in your video, so you can select any of these templates. So let me select one and provide a text, and then I can also change the font and color as well to my liking, and then play it. You will have the text in your video. You can save it to your gallery in 720p. If you want full HD, you'll have to opt in for a premium version. The last app on the list is UnClouded. UnClouded is a beautiful cloud manager which can house all your cloud accounts into one single application. It has a beautiful material design to it, and it is simple to use as well. And I've got two accounts here, my Google Drive as well as my OneDrive here. And clicking on the overview will give me an idea on the space used and the free space which is available for me. And clicking on Explorer will give me all the files listed, and then long pressing on one particular file, you will be able to send links as well as send those to WhatsApp or any other application. And then clicking on categories will categorize all the files in your cloud storage as audio and images. And then clicking on last modified will give you the chronological order in which it was modified. And you can also find duplicates in this particular application so that you can delete them if you want to. This application supports up to 2 accounts for the free version, so you will have to opt in for the premium version if you want to add more than 1 cloud storage to it. And that's all I have for you people today. Be sure to subscribe the channel for more videos and hit the like button if you have found this video useful. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below so that I can improve on it. This is Arvind signing off. Bye bye.